family members. Ndị ezinụlọ. Let's go. Nne di m, mother-in-law. Nne di m, mother-in-law. Di bụ husband, nne bụ mother. Nna di m, father-in-law. Nna di m, nna bụ father, di bụ husband. Nwanne di m, brother or sister-in-law. Nwanne di m, brother or sister-in-law. Nwa maọbụ ụmụ di m. Remember, nwa is my husband's child. Nwa di m, my husband's child. Ụmụ di m, that is the children of my husband, my husband's children. Also, in Igbo language, in Igbo community, Umudim is also referred to those born in a community or in a kindred where you are married. In a community or in a kindred where you are married. It does not only mean that your husband particularly have to give birth to them. So that's why they call them Umudim. Umudim. Enyidim, my husband's friend. Enyidim, my husband's friend. Nwunyedim, it's also the wife that your husband married after you or before you. Then again, also note that Nwunyedim refers to those that are married in that particular kindred or community that you were married to. So it does not necessarily mean that your husband have to marry the person, but everyone in that community is connected to your husband, is regarded to your husband. Now another thing I want to add is ndidim, ndidim, ndidim. That is the people that marry you, the people that you were married to. That is those people in that community, the husbands or the males in that community are called ndidim, or the males in that kindred are called ndidim. So I want you to be careful when you use the word nwunye dim, or you use the word omu dim, or you use the word ndidim. Now go to the comment section. Write out would be simple sentences that you would love to make with this word. You can write them in Igbo if you know them, or you write them in English, and I'm going to help you write out the equivalent in Igbo language. Please subscribe. Jisike.